Tick, 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 the clock won't sleep. A quiet whisper, secrets deep. Each second bites, it cuts, it chews.
हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम करने वाले हैं एक लेजेंडरी वॉच की अनबॉक्सिंग जो कि आती है फ्रॉम द ब्रांड Casio. It is one of the Casio vintage watches and you can see the model number here. Yep, I'm talking about F91. Let's quickly open the box. Here is the watch. और अगर हम बॉक्स में देखें हमें मिल जाता है बहुत सारा पेपर वर्क जिसको हम नहीं पढ़ने वाले हैं, और यहाँ पर हमें मिल जाता है 2 साल की वारंटी का कार्ड, which is a good thing to have. Now let's have a look at the watch. There is nothing inside the box apart from the paperwork and the watch, and of course some foam cushioning. So let me just quickly keep the box aside, show you guys the watch. So this is the watch we have. This is one of the legendary watches from Casio F91. And let's remove this tag. This is the most amazing part of any unboxing video. Let's get rid of the tag, and here is the watch. I hope you guys can see the beauty of the style. So it says day, date, AM, PM, the time with seconds. It says the model number Casio F91 on the top, alarm and chronograph, and it has a stainless steel back. It has the model number, branding, and if I talk about this strap, it has a resin strap, but it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. Yep, looks very fine quality of resin they have used in this watch. And one thing I want you to see, that the manufacturing of this watch is March 2025. That means this watch is still in demand, and I have seen some websites where it goes out of stock as soon as it gets stocked. So let's talk about the functionality now. If I see this button, this is a light button, and you might not see it in this light. Let me switch off the light and show you guys how it looks in the dark. It's very much clear. Nice. Now if I show you the functioning, this button is just a quick change mode from 12 hours to 24 hours, and if I push it back it will return to 12 hours mode. This is the mode button wherein you can check the different modes that this watch has. If I press this button once, it will show me the alarm. You can set the alarm by using this button, the light button. See, now the 2 is blinking. Now if I press it again, 43 is blinking. Set the alarm, and if I press it again, it shows that the alarm is on the top left corner. You can see. If I press this button now, it will switch off the alarm. So it says the alarm on now and it's off now. So this is the alarm mode. Now there's another mode, which is the stopwatch. You can start and stop the stopwatch from this button, right bottom corner, and you can reset this by clicking the light button again. So these are the 3 modes that we have. And if you want to set the time or date or anything, you can simply click this button. So you can see the seconds are blinking at the moment. You can set the settings. If I press this button, my hours are blinking, so you can set the time by pushing this button. Then again, if I press this, it will come to minutes. You can set the minutes by using this button. Now you can set the months by again pressing this button. And if I see the next mode, so here we go, hours, minutes, month, date and day. you can change them all by pressing this button. This is the mode button. The light button is actually dual mode it has. You can change the modes, change the function that you want to change, and if I press this button it will return to its home screen, which is this. So it says 15th Tuesday 3:25 p.m. 26 seconds, 27 seconds, and if I press this it is 24 hours mode. If I press this again it will come back to the normal mode, 12 hours. So this is all about this watch, Casio F91. Barack Obama, US President wore it, and few other legends wore it. So yeah, that was all from today's video. Thank you for watching.